Hey guys, just realised I didn't upload the video of the cleaning, so I'm going to do that now. It's early hours of the morning, I think. I can't get the lighting right, I can't get anything right, I haven't slept, I don't feel very good, so I'm going to just do this. This is the reality of spinal problems, you know. You don't sleep, you look pretty crap half the time, over half the time, and things just are not what they should be. So, this is my world. I look like shite, but that's okay. I'm going to upload the room cleaning. It'll be about a week or so ago now that actually happened. So I apologise. I will get better at uploading, I promise, because I really do appreciate the people that are, in our corner and subscribing and staying subscribed, even though I'm pretty useless at it for the moment. So, thank you, and I will put this up for you. Okay. Bye. I hope you like it. It's only a short one. I hope you like it.